Alright guys, take two. I had to reposition the bike. It's getting dark, we're out of light here. She's gonna give it another try. ¿Qué pasó? Buenos dias. Welcome back to the channel, John's Moto Garage. We don't have a lot of time, we're running out of daylight, but Jackie is going to try one of these motos. And no, it's not the Supermoto, it's not the Grom. She's already done that. She's way past that. I know what you're probably thinking, the Bolt, maybe the Raider, maybe, or you already saw the title. That's right. Jackie is going to be trying out the leader bike, the CBR1000RR monster motorcycle. I haven't mobbed this around in a couple days. It's been landlocked in here because I had the Dyna torn apart. The Dyna's finally back together. Video to come on that if it's not already posted. But Jackie's going to check this. Let's jump to Jackie's helmet cam.
It's a long walk to what could be the end. Welcome to another installment of Jackie Tries, or John Makes Jackie Try. If you need to adjust it, you can play with the ISO.
Alright you guys, here we are. Jackie's on the CBR. She's going to turn it on and get it started, and we'll go between this and her helmet cam. Now, I do not condone beginners starting out on a bike like this, and I would not have Jackie try this if I didn't trust her ability to follow directions and take it easy. She's very conserved and reserved when it comes to her riding, so I trust that she can take it easy on this. She's not going to be pushing it, but don't do this at home.
There's some cool bird poop on here.
Jackie's first ride on a CBR1000RR leader bike.
Gotta find these dang controls. Okay.
The ultimate test to see if she can figure this out.
It's in neutral.
I wonder if she's gonna try to start it while the kickstand's still down.
I'm just trying to figure out the controls first.
Like I always say, get familiar with the bike. Jackie has had about 2 seconds to look at it. Yeah, you're neutral.
Yeah, I want to look at everything first before I start messing around with it. How mad do you think John would be if I dropped this bike? Okay, kickstand is up. Jude says don't kill myself. I'm gonna try not to. Ah! How do you... That's a cool little song. Already tipping the bike. Oh my gosh.
So Jackie, same thing as before. Slowly let the clutch out. Once you start to move, bring it in and hit the brake. Keep your feet on the ground.
Holy freak. This wants to go like 0 to 60 in a second. Oh, we got 1 mile an hour. I think John has too much confidence in me.
Alright, when you feel comfortable, go ahead and let it roll very slowly. You okay? You almost drop it? Okay, wait, mommy's almost done.
He doesn't want to see my face.
And get it started.
How do I turn this on? Yeah, I don't like this bike.
You don't have to give it any gas.
I'm not.
That's what I'm saying. You can start pulling without giving it any gas.
It's so like wobbly. I don't know about that. It's just fast. I'm gonna run into his car. Oh, I don't like this. This is definitely not a beginner bike. What the? Definitely not a bike to try when you're just used to riding a grom. Maybe 3 times. Getting ultra close to this car. Alright, let's put this in neutral. No, neutral, neutral, come on. I need to get away from your, it's in neutral, I need to get away from your car. I never understood why they only have one headlight lit up, but there's 2 of them. Who can answer that question for me? Is that kickstand up? This kickstand is like in the dumbest spot. Who designed this? Ugh. Don't like this, I don't like this bike, I don't like this. It's probably the least favorite bike I've ridden. Sorry guys. Ooh, this is scary. Dude, I'm barely letting the clutch out, and I'm rocking 8 miles an hour. You could say rocking. John says, slow down! He doesn't trust me.
No gas at all, right?
That was no gas!
That's the fastest you've gone on a bike, and now it's giving it no gas.
I was going 8 miles an hour. I don't think I can turn around. These pegs and stuff get in the way. Okay, put it in gear. It like jumps as soon as you put it in gear, it's ready to go. Oh. I'm not giving it any gas. No gas. Slow down a little. Oh my gosh, you guys, I almost dropped the bike. I almost dropped it.
You almost drop it?
No, of course not. I would never drop this bike. I've never almost dropped a bike ever. I don't know what we're talking about. Well, thanks for joining us on Jackie Tries, and John Makes Jackie Try, which almost results in me dropping the bike and almost killing myself. But we survived.
There you go.
No, that's one that mommy likes.
So that was just a real quick clip, nothing crazy, but Jackie tried out the CBR1000RR. Have you ever ridden a leader bike before, Jackie?
I have not.
He's getting his helmet on. And what were your first thoughts and impressions on such a crazy bike?
Way too powerful for me.
Would you recommend for beginners?
No way.
Did you ever even give it gas at all? Did you?
Never gave it gas.
And
I got going 8 miles an hour, just letting the clutch out. And that was fast enough for me.
Pretty intimidating bike?
Definitely. It's big, it's hard to maneuver, for me at least, just not having any experience with anything this size or that powerful. So I would not recommend it for beginners, and I would not recommend it for myself.
So what kind of craziness convinced you to jump on something like that?
I did it all for the channel. I did it all for John.
Huh.
He convinced me to do it. He said, hey, give this a shot. I didn't know how powerful it was going to be. So I think I'll stick with the Grom. Maybe I'll try out the DRZ sometime, but maybe not as intimidating.
Nice. Cool. Right on. Big thumbs up for Jackie. Smash the like button, subscribe if you dig the content, and I'm proud of her giving it a shot. I probably shouldn't have pushed her to try this, but I know her. I knew she would take it easy and wasn't going to be trying any wheelies or anything stupid. So I trusted her up until the end where she almost dropped it. I thought we had it going pretty well. But there you go. Jackie tried out the CBR1000RR. She did pretty good. And I think we'll probably stick with the Honda Grom. CBR is probably not the best beginner bike, let alone a 1000cc liter bike.
Yeah. Maybe let us know what you want to see me try next. Maybe the Dyna. Just kidding.
Yeah, leave a comment below which bike should Jackie try mobbing around next. Meanwhile, we got this dude ripping stunts over here on the Grom. All right, John's Moto Garage, Jackie's Moto Garage. We'll hit you up on the next one. Adios.